Come splash with me in the big blue sea, where bubbles dance and the water's free. Wiggle your fins and let's dive down low to meet the ocean friends we all should know. Little fishies sit in a shiny school, twisting and turning like a golden rule. Red, blue, yellow, they flash so bright, playing tag from morning till night. Octopus waves with his 8 wiggly arms, he changes colors like magic charms. He hides in a cave, then poof, squirts ink. What a clever curly underwater wink! Splash, splash in the deep blue sea, ocean pals are wild and free. Flip your tail and shout hooray, we're swimming together every day. Dolphin leaps with a happy click click, he laughs and spins with a super quick flick. Riding the waves like a slippery slide, best ocean buddy you'll ever ride. Shark glides by with a toothy grin, but he's just hunting fish for his finny din. Strong and sleek, he's the ocean king, swishing his tail, zing, zing, zing. Splash, splash in the deep blue sea, ocean pals are wild and free. Flip your tail and shout hooray, we're swimming together every day. Crabs scuttle sideways on sandy ground, pinchy claws clicking a clickety sound. He hides in a shell when he feels shy, then waves hello as he scuttles by. Starfish sparkles with arms 5 or more, if one breaks off he just grows 4. He hugs the rocks in a starry way, shining bright at the end of the day. Splash, splash in the deep blue sea, ocean pals are wild and free. Flip your tail and shout hooray, we're swimming together every day. Now we've met them one and all, from the shallow shore to the ocean hall. Wave goodbye with a bubbly cheer, we'll